As of now, there was countless aviation accidents and casualties which never can accept it. But due to profit earning and commercial success, aviation company are desperately playing business cards. Reports of operational concerns, from runway incursions to passenger error rage to pilot training concerns to aircraft production, have understandably heightened people's worries about safety. Experts note that it's vital for regulators to take an aggressive response to these concerns in the form of groundings, inspections, and, if needed, new rulemakings to rebuild public trust and prevent such incidents from occurring.
Do you ever felt unsafe while boarding?
Reports of operational concerns, from runway incursions to passenger air rage to pilot training concerns to aircraft production.
As of now, there was total of 529 aviation accidents.
Regulators to take an aggressive response to these concerns in the form of groundings, inspections, and, if needed, new rulemakings to rebuild public trust and prevent such incidents.
Please like and subscribe our channel. Forward to friends. Collision avoidance and a better air traffic control signaling system could be safer to onboard's passengers. I'm telling a true story of winters. In Canada Hudson Bay regions, most airports like Swan River and Tisdale or the Glassfield airports, they are open to operates during the daytime only, as the low visibility, sunny foggy, stormy weathers and atmospheric major issues causes delay or cancel less flights, lower flights frequency, that the skies above the Grand Canyon on Jan end, 2. Planes that had recently taken off from Los Angeles International Airport, USA, and United Airlines Douglas DC-7 headed to Chicago, and a Trans World Airlines Lockheed L-1049.
Oh my God,
please
save them. Oh my God, please save them.
The New York Times, Frontline examines the commercial pressure and high competition, narrowed down aerospace for airlines fleeting, flawed design and failed oversight behind Boeing's 737 fatal float, which crashes mid-air that killed 346 people.
Terrorism is a global challenge, hard slaps on the face of civilization and humanity.
Please like and subscribe our channel. Forward to friends.